class, so today we are going to be learning about states of matter, okay? So the first thing that we're going to start off with is we're going to make a KWL chart. Does anyone know what a KWL chart is? No. It is know, want to know, and learned, okay? So we'll fill these out in sections, but this is how you're going to set up the chart. Normally, like, you guys would have this, like, all on your own, like, already, like, in your science binder, okay? But we are not a class, so you don't have to go to it. So this is the example of what it's going to look like. I'll just go ahead and give that to you.
Can I have that one?
Sorry, Dexter. I think that Elizabeth's just going to get that one today. So go ahead and set up a KWL sheet and write down what you know about states of matter. If you want to ask your shoulder buddy what states of matter are, kind of feed ideas off of each other, go ahead and feel free to do that. But take some time and fill that out.
What's the matter with you?
Budget crasses.
And not the states of America.
That's how you're supposed to do a KWL. Let's fold it. That's the official way.
I'm sorry, I'm too much of an elementary teacher.
So are we going to write down? I said you could discuss with your shoulder partner what a KWL, what states of matter are, sorry. No, it's know, want to know, and learn. So right now you're filling out the know and the want to know. Know and want.
Liquid
of matter.
California,
water.
California.
The state of matter, right?
Yeah.
I mean, California is pretty important.
A state that matters.
Yeah.
Minnesota matters.
You guys can all discuss together too, remember. You don't have to just talk about it. You can all discuss.
It matters to my family, not to anybody else who doesn't live there. I can't see this view.
Alright, so normally there'd be more time, but we don't have a ton of time. So go ahead and turn your chairs in and talk to each other and let each other know what you think, what you know or what you want to know about states of matter and what you think states of matter are.
How does it work in space?
Mm-hmm.
We're good. We know what.
Does space have like gas and solids and
Yeah,
liquids
that's
and
how
stuff
the-
like that?
And I talked about
The Earth came
atoms
together.
and
It was a
like
Big Bang
each
Theory.
one.
You know that you can believe that the Big
And
Bang
then
Theory
I said
and
what?
Christ, that God created everything?
Hey Dexter,
Sorry.
right now that is not the topic that we were talking about. I love the fact that you're thinking outside the box, but let's stay focused on states of matter. Okay?
Well, yes, I think space has solid liquids and gases. I think that's right.
And that's what states of matter.
But they can change form.
L is learned. You won't fill that out till the
Solids
very
in
can change form.
space.
Can they?
I watched a movie with Autobots. They transform.
Okay. Like I said, Nathan, does that have anything to do with states of matter?
Well,
I need you guys to stay focused because today we're doing an indirect teach.
Okay.
So this is all guided by you guys. So I need you guys to stay focused. So have you guys finished talking about what states of matter are?
Yes, we think so.
Okay. Who can tell me what states of matter are? Meg.
Gas, liquid, and solid.
Good. And what do gas, liquids, and solids do? Can anyone else? Elizabeth.
They react with each other.
Okay.
So
Can you describe each kind of state of matter? Anyone?
ice,
Ice. Okay. What makes it like that? What makes
it's
like
hard,
okay and
solid.
okay.
Good job, Meg.
Go ahead, Elizabeth.
It's also cold, so it like freezes together.
Okay, but do all solids have to be cold?
no.
Okay.
It has a set shape.
But it
There you go.
transforms from because ice is a liquid originally, right?
And then if you steam it, it's a gas.
it
So
can
that's a great
transform.
example of something that covers all
Teamwork.
states of matter, but not everything is like that.
was a state of matter.
What is this desk?
Solid.
It's a solid. It's not a liquid. Okay. Normally, things change states of matter when the temperature changes. So, like if this were to get burned, the state of matter would change a little bit. Okay. All right. Moving on. Go ahead and take a look at this sheet that I handed you all. So, some of it you're going to fill out on your own, but every time you get to a checkpoint, go ahead and stop because we're going to focus it back in all together. Okay. So, the first couple ones we're not really going to do because I want to get to like the main thing, and we don't have time if we do all the other stuff. Okay.
So we're going to
So,
checkpoint 2.
What's like?
So we're skipping question 1 and we're going to go straight to 2. Okay, so there would be another part of the thing, but we're not going to do it just because I want to get to the main part of it, and we wouldn't have time otherwise. So, all right, class.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't make that connection.
Do you guys think that something can be a solid and a liquid at the same time?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? What makes it a solid and a liquid at the same time?
When it's melted.
When it's melted? Okay.
But if it's melting, is it still a solid? Because like the main core is still solid.
You ask your classmates.
I don't want to focus on anything but
We
what
have
you're
to
doing.
get dirty.
What about ice? I mean, it's kind
I
of the
said
same
that
as.
already.
Ice is only a solid.
Ice can be in water.
And then it
though.
changes its form.
Mhm.
Ice is made
That's-
from water.
But ice is the solid. Water is the liquid.
It,
So it could change forms. But then it melts. So that's what you said. It's temperature change. You know you're holding the phone, right? And he's
if this spills, don't worry, it cleans up really easily. So I'm gonna fix it too.
Do you know my dish?
You can't laugh, you're gonna shake the phone.
Sorry.
Okay, so while I'm doing this,
This
what we're making is called oobleck. Okay, so while we're making this, go ahead and take a look at the next questions. Trying to get the consistency right is a little difficult, so you might have to like have me call you around. But once I pour some water in, go ahead and use your finger and stir it up.
Yeah, I don't think that previous know what a non-Newtonian substance is.
If you,
It's not like cornstarch is sticking
Extra
together.
credit question.
if you, that's why like
That's so weird.
I think they would.
I like
It's
you
all my
poke it when it
like
gets
cornstarch is sticking together. I think I need more water.
no, you gotta stir it up a lot. Here, I'll show you. Like,
What? Oh my god.
I definitely need more water.
I don't think you do. You might, but here, I'll show you.
Like, yeah. It's all dry now.
Oh, okay, you do need some water.
That's crazy. This is so cool.
Yeah,
Need some more water next, sir?
Yeah, mine's solid.
I'm on
Mine's
mess.
perfect. Yeah, let's stick your finger in there.
Just
Oh,
wash it.
Oh, you need some more. I think you need some more starch. Do you need some more starch, Amanda?
Oh my god.
It's so hard to tell if you're doing it right.
So I want you guys to discuss kind of like what you're feeling and like just discuss with your classmates like what's going on right now.
Gross.
Amazing.
This is wax.
Again, you're holding the phone.
Oh my god, it's like wax.
Oh my god.
So weird.
it's a solid
Look at
and a
this.
liquid.
This is a solid and a liquid.
Ugh.
Or no, is it
No,
just a
I got
liquid?
the oobleck on my shirt.
Because it changes shapes.
Can I just peel it off?
Solids
I
don't
can.
change shapes.
That's so
Yes.
cool. Okay.
So will this just be a liquid? But if you fill it, you need to fill this.
I don't
It's
want.
really
I know what it
cool.
is. I actually wanted the same
I
project,
like this.
but then I
Does it
realized it was
feel-
for 3-year-olds.
If you hit it, it's
For
a
30-year-olds?
solid.
For
But if you
30-year-olds.
pick it up, it's a liquid.
Ew.
Actually, was eating glue. Just kidding.
It's like pudding.
But
So
like,
can
it's not
something be a solid and a liquid at the same time?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
What's some other examples of things that are both?
Are you asking me that question?
I'm asking in general to my classmates
Okay,
and
I
to
think
you.
your classmates should answer that question first. Ask your classmates.
Classmates. Besides this, what else is a solid and a liquid?
She just asked
Play-Doh?
us that question.
I know, but I didn't know the answer.
This actually really feels nice.
What is? I don't
It's
know.
fun, right?
It's like off-putting, almost.
Off-putting.
An orange.
An orange.
The orange is solid in the liquid.
Because it has
Well,
juice
let her
in it.
describe why do you think it looks like that?
Because it has juice in it.
No.
It has juice and what else?
And things surrounding it.
Flush.
Yeah.
It also has vitamin C.
But that's not a
Okay.
solid.
Let's stay focused. Let's stay focused.
This is
My
a
mom
lot.
takes vitamins.
So okay, so does anyone else have an idea of what a non-Newtonian substance would be?
That's a
Oh, is that
really
what that
big word,
means?
teacher.
I don't even know what
Yeah,
that
that's
is.
okay. Can we just think of what's the laws of gravity? What does that say?
What goes up must come down.
Okay, so do you think that the laws of gravity have anything to do with states of matter?
Yes.
Okay, so who thought of the laws of gravity? You guys should know this.
Isaac Newton.
There we go, Isaac Newton. So a non-Newtonian substance would be something that just defies a lot of those laws.
Wait, is this a non-utopian subject? Ooh.
Dexter, I'm not sure what you're talking about. We are talking about non-Newtonian substances right now. So
yes, is this
another example, think about mayonnaise or jelly. So like if I were going to tip the mayonnaise jar over, it wouldn't pour out, right?
Or like a
But if I take my knife, take it out and put it on my bread, it's gonna spread like more like a liquid would. Does that make sense?
like a blizzard.
So if you move this around in your bowl too,
See if I
it
can
looks like a
do it.
liquid, right? But then as soon as you touch it, it's no longer. So the thing that's important to realize with this is force turns this into more of a solid, and a lack of force turns it more into a liquid. What's a force? Does anyone know what a force is?
Star Wars.
Mass times weight.
It's like a push or a pull on an object, right? It's something that you act on something. Yep, exactly. So
Could Jello be not do it?
go ahead and answer the last question on here, and then fill out the learn section on your KWL. All right, class, put the oobleck down for a second, please.
What? What are we supposed to be doing?
And okay, how much time do I have left?
10 seconds.
Okay, just turn it off.